going on, guys? It's Andrew with Agency Turnkey. Just want to shoot another video for you and show you some of the results that we're generating for an agency owner and his clients in the solar space. So we want to show you what kind of results we're getting and what the back end looks like in the Business Manager. So let's take a look at the lifetime of this campaign. It started just 30 days ago. So on August 10th of 2020, it's the September 11th right now. So, about 30 days. So far, we've generated over 538 leads for this client. Average CPL is about $9.90, so sub $10 leads. And we spent just a little bit over $5,000. So $53.26 is what we spent so far on his campaigns. And so just 30 days. I mean, those results are pretty outstanding for 30 days. To kind of mention on what we're doing, you can see that there's a ton of ads that are being ran here, and want to speak on it one more time. There's no silver bullet, there's no magic sauce or anything like that. It's just testing, testing the audiences, testing the creatives, the offers, the ad copy, just testing everything and then retesting it to confirm that it works. And that's the magic behind Facebook ads. It's just being very aware of what works and what doesn't, and then testing it to confirm. So like you can see, some of the results here are pretty good. We got 31 leads at $6.13, 31 leads at $6.05, 29 leads at $5.24, and the list goes on. But as you can see, there's just a ton of ads that are being ran, and then there's some ads here that just didn't perform at all. So that's a kind of a quick glance at this campaign here. But again, to kind of touch on the results, 538 as far as the amount of leads. The cost per lead is about $9.90, and we spent about just a little over $5,000. And these are the results for about 30 days. So if you guys are interested in seeing if we can do the same thing for your clients, feel free to reach out. Hit me up on Messenger. I'm very accessible, like I mentioned in the other videos. We can see if our agency program works for you. We can set up a time and talk a little bit more about that. But if you guys have any questions, like I mentioned, hit me up on Messenger. Happy to help you guys. We'll talk soon.